Hi there, my name is Dora. I'm a format expert and this video is to show you how to add HTML embeds to your site. To get started, you will need to go to the Pages editor here from the left side toolbar. Then tap Create and add a custom page. Once you add the page, you'll be directed to its editor. Here, you will need to go for the Add Section option. Then head over to the Media tab, scroll down the page, and add the HTML block section over here. Once you've added the section to your page, you can paste your HTML block and save changes when you're ready. If you wanted to convert a piece of text to an HTML block, you can add a piece of text or a piece of text accompanied by images from the Images tab here. Then tap anywhere within the text box to see this HTML symbol here in the lower right-hand side corner of the box. Tapping the symbol will reveal this toggle from where you can convert the text into HTML. Enabling the toggle will bring up this warning message. After you carefully read it, you can tap the Continue Anyway button here to enable the change. Again, you can save changes when you're ready. You can follow the same process to convert gallery pages captions, text elements, and header text into HTML blocks as well. I hope this has been helpful to you. If you have any questions, please do feel free to reach out to us via chat. The chat icon is located here in the lower right-hand side corner of your screen, or via email at info@forma.com. We'd be happy to help.